What's going on, YouTube? Let me give you guys a slow cold start real quick. Come on, there we go. Wow, my car won't start. What the heck? Hold on. The hell? Alright, technical. There we go, we're back. I still got my check engine light right there, y'all see it. But what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy. Let's see. Open the sunlight, you know, we got the sunroof open. It's your boy SS Marco. Back at it again with a video for y'all, man. Today I'm gonna go get me some tires for this Camaro. I'm taking y'all with me. It's gonna be a little vlog, you know, nothing crazy, but so next month, I also forgot to tell y'all, next month I'm gonna get my car retuned. Oof, almost crashed right there. She's just parking. But yeah, next month I'm getting my car retuned. So, and I can hopefully give y'all the dyno numbers of this car and stuff. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, man, I'm on my way to get some gas right now. I'm just driving around. Look at this gas tank on E. Up and stuff. Pulling up to the gas station now. Ain't too packed. Still a little busy over here right now. Let's see. Some of that good juice. Bro, this junk is packed. What the? Yeah, guys, we getting some gas right now. It's filling up over there. You know, I'm just chilling. I'm just waiting in the car and stuff. And then after that, we're gonna go to the tire shop. And yeah, we're gonna change these tires, man, and get some better traction, hopefully. So yeah, I'll see y'all at the tires. All right. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's $65 to fill up on 93, and I got 273 miles to leave. Got the tires on there. I'm at the back. You know, heading back on the road. Tires on there. I'm gonna show them to y'all. The 285s. There you go. That's how they look. Little gappy gap, but it don't matter. I got the top, I had that thing chopped. Get this side. Little gap, but that shit still shining. Yeah, guys, I got the tires on there. Y'all see them? They look a little gappy, but it's not too, you know, it's not too crazy. So, but they Pirelli, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna hook. So I'm gonna test them out. Maybe do a pull. I don't know. I was gonna record it in 360, but this camera is dead, so I can't really do that. But besides that, man, hey, thank you guys for watching the little vlog video I'm making. I'm just trying something new out. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, and it's been your boy. Peace out.